Okay, so once you've practiced adding and subtracting integers, you can move on to multiplying or dividing integers. And this is actually easier, I find, than adding or subtracting, because you only have two rules that you have to follow. If you have the same sign, meaning a positive and a positive, or a negative and a negative, you're going to get a positive answer. Okay, same sign, positive, positive, or a negative and a negative, you're always going to get a positive answer. If you have opposite signs, meaning a positive and a negative, or negative and positive, doesn't matter the order, you're always going to get a negative answer. So think about same signs as positive, opposite signs as negative. So treat each number individually. First of all, this is a multiplication statement. So 3 times 2, you can put that in your calculator, and it's going to give us 6. Right here we have a negative and a negative, meaning the same signs. And same signs yields a positive answer. So our answer is going to be positive 6. Okay. This one, we have negative 5 times negative 3. So first of all, I would do in your calculator 5 times 3. That's going to give us 15. And we have same signs again. Same signs as positive answer, because it's a negative and a negative, right? So our answer is positive 15. Okay. Same here, we have same signs. And if these two brackets are glued together, you assume that this is a multiplication statement here. So 6 times 1, 1 times 6 is 6. And you have same signs again, a negative and a negative. That's going to give us a positive answer, positive 6. Okay, here's some that you don't have the same signs. So we have negative 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. You can do that in your calculator. And right here you have opposite signs, because this is a negative, and you assume this is positive. If it's not written, it's always positive. So you have opposite signs here, and opposite signs are always going to give us a negative. So our answer is negative 8, and you can put that in brackets. Okay, this one's back to the same sign, so a little bit easier. Do 3 times 2 first in your calculator, which is going to give us 6. Right here we have the same signs, because we can assume that these are both positive. They don't have a sign, so it's positive. 2 times positive 3, which is positive 6. Another one here, we have 6 times negative 2. 6 times 2 is 12. And we have opposite signs. This is a positive, this is a negative. Opposite signs are always going to give us a negative number, so our answer is negative 12. So moving into division, these rules still apply, same signs positive, opposite signs negatives. Just make sure that you're looking at the sign. So you could have a multiplication, you could have a division, and in this case we have division here. Keep in mind that a fraction is also division, so this statement could be written as negative 6 over negative 1. It's the same thing. A fraction is a division symbol, so negative 6 divided by negative 1. So same rules apply. 6 over 1, 6 divided by 1 is going to give us 6. And we have same signs. They're both negatives. Same signs yields a positive answer. So our answer is positive 6. We can put that in brackets. Here we have 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. And you have a positive and a positive. So the same signs is going to yield a positive answer.